Alright guys, so today's video is about how to connect Hryfine app to iPhone. So the first thing to do here is to go to your smartwatch and switch on the Bluetooth. So how do you do that? Swipe up this way and toggle on this Bluetooth icon like this. And once you have done that, now go to the next step, which is to switch on the dual mode. How do you do that? You go to the settings or the shortcut menu and scroll this way, and you're going to see dual mode. Then select the option and select on. Now the next thing to do is to go to your iPhone and switch on the Bluetooth, data and location. So I'm going to go to my iPhone and switch on my Bluetooth and switch on my Wi-Fi or data, and also go to my location, go to the settings, location services, and turn it on like this. So the next thing to do now is to download the Hryfine app. You can go to your Apple App Store and download that. Just come to your Apple App Store this way and select search and search for Hryfine app. Alright, then select install and make sure it is download and install on your iPhone. Now that we have our Hryfine app on our iPhone, select open, and when you open it, you are going to see some requests. So select allow for all the requests. From here, you are going to grant permission, allow while using app, okay, allow for the notification, allow. And once you have done that, you can use your Apple ID or Google Mail, that is Gmail, or your mailbox to sign in. So you have to do that, or you can come down here and skip the whole process. You can use direct login and skip the whole process, but in this case I'm going to use my Apple ID, and I will select that and select continue. As you can see, it shows logging in. Now I say I should save a screenshot of this. Okay, now we got our screenshot, and select confirm down here, select determine, and come here and change the nickname. Okay, you can put whatever nickname you want, but in this case I'm going to put Jaguar, because that's my nickname. Confirm, and select confirm at the top right corner here, but please make sure you input the other details or you edit it, and select confirm once you are done. Now you have to sync up your watch, so you select this icon up here, and you can see it is searching for a device. Hryfine has been located, so we are going to select that. So you change it to always allow and pair. Always allow, change to always allow. Come here and select shut down. Okay, now you can see it has changed to green because we have connected it successfully to our watch. So the next thing to do here is to come to the my option down here, select the my option, and you're going to see how you can use your Hryfine watch. Now the bracelet setting is for you to do some settings on your smartwatch. This is where you can set your WhatsApp notifications and other social media notifications. You come to this message notification here, select that, and make sure you have your options turned on, most especially the WhatsApp reminder. Make sure it is turned on like this, and that is good. You can go back. If you want to change from 12 hours to 24 hours or 24 hours to 12 hours, you have to come here and toggle it on. So like here now, I'm going to toggle this. As you can see, it has changed to 12 hours on our smartwatch. Okay, so that is how to change the time. If you want to change the time using your Hryfine app. And let me show you quickly how you can change the wallpaper. So you have to go back, select the dial option here, and you're going to see my watch face, dial mode, DIY dial, and local dial. So select your DIY dial if you want to change it to your own watch face. Now you come here and select image and select DIY dial, and select that is going to take you to your gallery. As you can see, now I'm going to select a picture here and zoom in a bit, then select confirm up here, and as you can see, it's showing a tutorial on how you can move the time. So select save and use down here. It is uploading. As you can see on our watch, it's showing sign of uploading here, and it's uploading also here. Alright, so you can see now we have a new watch face on our Hryfine watch. So that is how to put the dial on the watch. You can also change the font color like this, as you can see. So once you are open, you can just select the save and use, and it's going to sync up. So that is how to change the dial watch face. So once you are done, you select the back option here. You can also come here to sync up your phone book or your contact. Come here, select add. If you want to add manually, you select add manually, and if you want to add for mobile connect, just select here. And Hryfine is going to ask you for access to your contact. Okay, select OK, and as you can see, it has taken me to my contact page where I can add up the contacts that I want. Now I can select one that I want. Once you select it this way, select the save option, and it's going to save it up right on the watch. You are going to see it saved there. So now you can go to your watch, select contact, and you are going to see it. Okay, we have something here: cannot operate without phone. Okay, so let's come here, select the Bluetooth option, go to the Bluetooth option once again, go to the settings, and we have our Hryfine connected. We are going to connect the second Bluetooth, as you can see, because we are having an issue saying cannot operate without phone. So this is the new one that you have to connect. Select that, and once you select that, as you can see, my contact has just shown up because it is now connected. So you have to connect these two Bluetooth before the contact can work. Okay, so that is pretty much how to use the contact. And if you are getting cannot connect without smartwatch or smartphone, this is how to sync it up. I remember Babatunde Omotayo, and I'll see you on the next one. Please stay safe. Bye for now. Peace.